The CEO of crypto.com has tweeted quite a bit lately, and I want to cover some of the comments and stories that he has shared and look at the future for crypto.com. I also want to get in to the meme coins that are in the crypto.com Cronos network. Specifically, we'll talk about Crow with Knife and MERY in this video, and we will also look at the meme coin ecosystem as a whole, as Cronos is making headlines with crypto.com with their new sponsorships, with the Cronos ZK EVM network coming and going live recently. They are looking to continue to grow. Are they going to be successful in that? Well, it is looking good. So let's get into it, guys, and share a little bit about what's going on, the comments from the CEO of crypto.com, and the future price points that I'm seeing for the Cronos token and the memes in the Cronos ecosystem. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and let's dive right in, because Bitcoin is back up to $60,000 today, and that is looking nice. If you do look at the Cronos token, it's still holding strong now. Came up, actually. It was ranked number 31 yesterday, now to rank number 30, which is beautiful. Holding strong at 8.8 cents. This coin has been very stable, while a lot of other altcoins have been very volatile. Not to say that Cronos hasn't come down from its highs that it hit earlier this year, but it has fallen less than some of the other tokens out there, specifically fallen less than some of the other from the other exchange tokens out there, apart from BNB, which is also a very sturdy exchange token, which I like to compare to Cronos because they both have their own smart chain. They both have very successful exchanges, but the CEO of crypto.com, unlike the CEO of Binance, who went to prison, CZ, who is still very popular in the crypto community, he hasn't really had as many issues as CZ with Binance, but he is very active on Twitter, and he is recently very proud, and he should be, of their accomplishment. You know, tweeting this out, I think it's his pinned tweet. It is his pinned tweet right now. As a first exclusive crypto partner of the Champions League, they will reach over 3 billion people, helping drive adoption of digital assets globally. Their goal, their catchphrase on their website is to bring the next billion users to crypto. And this is what they're doing time and time again to do that. And what I also like is he shares a little bit more. You know, we've heard that there's 3 billion people, but interesting to just kind of see the language used by Chris from crypto.com. He says, this partnership is also a testament to our ambition to aggressively grow in our second largest market. This is very specific. Europe. He's targeting Europe specifically, giving us absolutely massive exposure in the region. So they're continuing to grow. They're continuing to branch out, do more marketing and advertising partnerships in areas where they want to grow, chasing those licenses to get proper, approval in these countries before they operate, and then going out to get massive partnerships to bring more users to crypto, to get them into their exchange, collect those fees so they are of a profitable business. And then he does talk a lot about also introducing them to DeFi and the importance of DeFi, and they've got their crypto.com DeFi app, which brings me back over to, the Cronos chain as well. But the thing about DeFi, guys, is, and here's another comment from Chris, the CEO. I talked about this earlier. Looks right for disruption to me, he says, talking about how during the Japanese currency crash recently, and during the S&P 500 dip that we had, and the traditional market was dipping and there was fear, major trading platforms were down, crypto platforms were not down. And this, again, highlights the need for crypto and for DeFi overall, because these centralized entities, there's so many times where these things shut down and you just can't even touch your money. You can't trade your money. You can't close the order. You can't open the order, because they are, again, ripe for disruption. This is an old legacy system that is probably going to be replaced by the likes of crypto, or something that we don't even know yet, probably integrated with blockchain technology in some direction. But again, crypto.com is on the forefront for crypto here, and they did just have their massive upgrade with the Cronos chain, which is great. And so what I do want you guys to know right now, and I'm going to talk about the memes here in a second, but Crocoin is bouncing in its Bitcoin pairing valuation versus Bitcoin, which gives me hope. Now, looking at this bounce, the timing's perfect. Bitcoin is getting close to the peak of its Bitcoin dominance at 60% in the market. That could signal an altcoin bounce. We time that with this new marketing partnership for crypto.com, which I think is very timely. We time that with the Cronos ZK EVM launch, which is also very timely to get that Cronos brand name out there. And, we look at this bounce. This is all good things. All good timing. We've been trading sideways forever on Bitcoin, and we've been trading sideways for a while on, yes, our favorite meme coins. In fact, in the Cronos network, at least, our favorite meme coins in the Cronos network, like Crow with Knife, which Crow with Knife and the MERY token, mystery on Cronos, these two keep flipping back and forth for rank number 1 and rank number 2. These two are very popular memes in the Cronos ecosystem, and they're way down from their highs. Right now, Crow with Knife is currently down 70% from its highs, which is just like Stacks. Really, Stacks is down 70% from its highs. Stacks is a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi, a very legitimate token. And this is a meme token, a legitimate meme token, if you will, right? You know, you got to use your own discretion with that, right? And do your own research. But this is the most popular meme, according to Dex Screener, for Cronos. It's down the same percentage from its highs as a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi is. And this is actually kind of holding up very strong, as well as the mystery MERY token. I believe this token's holding up very strong as well. These are selling off from their highs. This one came down quite a bit more from Crow with Knife. Crow with Knife, of course, had a crypto.com exchange listing. MERY is still hopeful, and I'm still hopeful that the mystery MERY token can get a crypto.com exchange listing, because just a while ago, we saw crypto.com put out a piece of promotional material talking about celebrating the memes in crypto, and they even had the mystery MERY token logo on this little promotional video they did. And out of all the coins in this promotional video, the mystery MERY token was the only coin that was not actually listed on crypto.com, leaving me bullish. But again, Bitcoin has been calm to flat, trading sideways for the last 170 days. It took a new high earlier this year, but it has trickled down, and we're back to where we were 170 days ago. The altcoin market has not seen new highs yet. And I believe that Crow with Knife and the mystery MERY token, when we see this total market cap break out to new highs, when we see the Cronos coin start going back up to 18 cents, to 30 cents, all the way up to its previous highs at $1, possibly to the $2 to $5 target that I've been talking about over the last 2.5 years. Looking at Crowcoin bouncing versus Bitcoin, right? And these altcoin markets starting to boom again and getting some momentum in the crypto market, seeing those new all-time highs for altcoins after the Bitcoin halving, which we still have not seen yet for a mass majority of altcoins. We could see the mystery MERY token and Crow with Knife pump once again, but we need to see all those other things happen first. It is a measure of the temperature of the room in crypto overall. It's not about one particular token. It's about the ecosystem as a whole and the greater crypto community as a whole. Now, I am impressed with Crow with Knife in terms of the followers that they have on Twitter. They do have a bigger market cap than the mystery MERY token, but what's very interesting is the mystery MERY token is competing on its followers with 18.6K followers. So it's just going to be very interesting to watch these two communities continue to compete in a friendly way. I love it. I think friendly rivalry is good, and we want to continue to see that. And I want to see these communities continue to grow. I want to see the Cronos ecosystem grow. I want to see crypto.com continue to grow, because at the end of the day, if you're waiting for the Crow coin to go up, you're going to want to see these communities thrive, have fun, make some money, the Cronos ecosystem get mainstream adoption. You're going to want to see those 3 billion eyes getting exposed to crypto.com. You know, get 10% of them, 5% of them, 1% of them to sign up for crypto.com. Learn about the DeFi side of things. Learn about Cronos. Learn about Bitcoin. We want global mass adoption for crypto. And as that continues to come, it's companies that are at the forefront of this that I think are going to succeed. And the projects that are associated with those brands are probably going to be the ones that give some really beautiful and fantastic returns in this bull market. That's where I'm at for Crow in my mind. That's where I'm thinking for hopefully Crow with Knife and the mystery MERY token as well. That's all I have for you guys in this one, though. I hope you enjoyed this Crow video today. I wanted to give you guys some of my thoughts and what I'm seeing from Crypto.com's CEO Chris and what we're just seeing in the market. So that's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to DCA HODL, my friends, and please do your own research. And until next time, I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.